trying to get me into trouble. Yeah. Lucky, he decided to get me into trouble. No. Anyone does a rape scene, then the girl is in trouble. Yes. Okay. Tamil aati nahi hai. Enna sollum? Oh, that's a good question actually.
Take care of him, be nice, don't ask him any more questions. Okay?
Yeah.
He's the best.
Thanks.
I'm a big fan of this one. He
So
won't
are
tell you.
we. Me too.
He did a movie called Door, which I saw 17 times in a row.
That's like.
But he's a
I
fan.
love acting.
Thanks so much. It was quite difficult, but the thing is, I'm lucky I didn't have to do Bira because it was Dev. It was Bira is very volatile, so you do Bira in Hindi. I mean, it would have been torturous for all of you all because I'm doing the dubbing too. But it was quite cool because Dev is kind of cool dude and he's very focused and he's not very histrionic. He doesn't go ballistic. So it was quite easy and I always had money sir there, so to tutor me and keep me. After Aparajit, I did get a few offers, but I was a little worried that I may not be able to fit into the mold, or it's really a big step, getting into Hindi, and I mean I have to be very frank about it because I don't know the language and I have to learn. That's all right, but you come into a unit and everybody's speaking Hindi, and it's a kind of a scary thing for a South Indian. But when Manisa was like, he recounted this character Bira, and I was damn gung-ho about it, and then he said, I have an idea. What about this role? I said, sir, Hindi, no. He says, no, try it. It should be cool. And then I felt very cool because Mani sir, and I know the whole unit, at least half the unit is going to be Tamil, and so they're not going to laugh when I speak Hindi. So that kind of kept me going. And after a point, it got very challenging. The fact that we actually were thinking we would do one character, like AB and I would do Bira, and maybe after 6 months we'll do the other role, Dev's role with Prithviraj. But what happened was we had these sets, we didn't have real sets, we didn't have real locations, we had to have sets in the jungle. And some of the sets actually got washed away even while we were shooting it. So the sets couldn't wait for 5 to 6 months before I changed. I have this habit of changing for a character, becoming thinner or, tanning and stuff, or growing my hair. So then Manisa said, why don't you do back to back? And that got very difficult after a point because I would do one shot and quickly run, and I used to do it in 45 minutes, change. Then I brought it down to almost 9 minutes or 10 minutes where I change from one character to another, then change the body language. And when you see both the films, there is a stark difference between the two characters. That was really exciting. And the fact that I'm doing a Mani Ratnam film, rather I'm doing 2 Mani Ratnam films. Dev is this very cool, suave, stylish, he's very focused, he's almost into branded clothes, and he's not a very people's person. He's like, if he wants some information, maybe he'll talk to someone, otherwise he's pretty cold, he's like that, he's very aggressive. While Bira is like very rugged, he's very dirty, and he's not supposed to look good, and he loves people. He will find him only with people, you won't find him with his family, and almost throughout the movie I was wearing only a ganji and a lungi. So that difference was like, I mean, that was so interesting, and the fact that I could do it with a director like Mr. Mani Ratnam, that kind of got me going. I did Aparajit, so it was quite cool because I keep shifting, and that was a little more difficult because I would be in Ramanujam's outfit and I'll suddenly become Aparajit, or I'll suddenly become Remo, or I'm Remo and I become Ramanujam, which was like, a fraction of a second. I changed my whole body language, so I think that was homework for me. No, not really. See, AB is a very good friend of mine. I mean, I've known him for so many years, so I met up with Ash even before they got married. So we are friends, and in fact, I guess I should have been like in awe of the fact that I'm starring with a Miss Universe world or whatever. So I should have, but I didn't feel that. I just thought another friend, and it was like that. So I don't. And when you're an actor, I mean, if I was going to take all that seriously, anyone does a rape scene, then the girl's in trouble. It was quite funny because sometimes we just say, Kenny sir, I'll tell you what, let's push her off the bridge because we can go home. We can get this over done with. We've always, I mean, to be serious, we've not about the scene or about how we interpreted it. To my knowledge, I think I hardly saw any of his shots and he hardly saw any of mine. And if you do notice, I mean, Mani sir what was very interesting was he didn't tell us that this is what I want exactly. I mean, he does tell us that, but we had certain moods, sometimes when I was pensive in a shot, he may be a little more jovial, or let me say I was aggressive, or he was aggressive and I'd be a little low-key. Mani sir never spoiled, like I was doing the scene in my way. and he was doing the scene in his way. So we had our two different. So we never actually discussed shots or like how are we going to do this emotion. But we did discuss. I mean, considering there was so much physical, trauma on the sets. Actually, literally, we used to. He'll say, "Okay, Kenny sir, be careful of this. This rock is a little dicey," or I'd be telling AB, "Watch out for this rope," or So we used to exchange notes on that. On survival. I really love that because I come from drama. I've acted in plays all my life from when I was a kid. And for me, every movie, especially when I do a very challenging role, it's almost like a workshop for me. And working with like a Bala who got me the national, like Pita Maganan, working with him or Mani sir, it's really nice. It's almost like you're going back to school, like acting school. It's not like, for 1 minute I didn't think that, okay, I'm doing a film and blah blah, I'm the hero. It wasn't that at all. It was like, I don't think AB thought he was the hero. I don't think I thought. I don't think Prithviraj thought. It was like we're doing a Mani Ratnam's film, and that I think that appealed to everybody. All of us, like whether it was the art director or whoever, everybody was flogging there. Am I talking too much?
No, please go on.